Okay, we're going to do this with the metronome off because it's more important for you to be able to take your time and adjust this however you need to, right? So you'll be able to pause the video. You have control over the video, so you can go back and hit a specific set wherever you need to, yada, yada, yada. All right, so we're looking at 1B, and we're just going to double check fingerings. The other day I had you just work through this on your own, just to remember it, and then let's see what you need to review, right? So the first set, pretty straightforward. Flutes, we're going from B flat to A, flutes and low brass, B flat to A, and then back to B flat, right? No big deal there. Clarinets, that's a B natural, okay, middle finger. Saxes, the sharp is there, you better not mess that up. Horns, E natural, right? Okay, so here we go. So first, second, first for trombones, open, second, open for brass instruments. So I'll just go ahead and do it in half notes. Ready, go. Now, if that required a little bit of brain power from you, okay, that's okay. A smart person would now press pause on the video and play that 30 more times so that they would understand what they're doing. And make sure you're looking at the screen or you're looking at your music when you do it. Don't just try to memorize the fingering. Memorize the fingering while you're looking at the notes. So pause right now and hit that again if you need to. Now I'm going on to the second set, right? These two measures right here. All right, flutes, you're going down to the A flat. It's fingered like a high A flat. Nothing new there, right? Thumb, L thumb, L1, L2, L3, L pinqui, R pinqui, two pinquies, right? Clarinets, we got the B flat now, first finger. Saxes, that's an F natural, not an F sharp. And then horns, E flat, second valve. And then trombones, and that's a third valve, third position, A flat. We're going third position. So trombones, it's going to follow the same pattern as 1A, right? First, second, first, first, third, first, first, fourth, first, fifth, sixth, seventh, right? So it's going to pretty much follow that same pattern. Brass instruments, you're going to first valve. That's all it is. So here we go. Second set, everybody. Once again, once we play it, if you need to play it 30 more times, you pause the video and do that. Here we go. Second set. 1, 2, ready, go. Pause right now and redo that as many times as you need to. Okay, now if you've come back from pausing it, let's go back to the beginning and play the first two sets together. Okay, two sets together. 1, 2, 2 sets together. You guys, flutes, you hear that change in my tone? I just pointed my ear down a little bit more and then just suddenly, that's what I get for not playing flute all summer. Okay, so pause if you need to and play two sets back to back a couple of times if you need to. Otherwise, let's go on to the third set. Third set. Flutes going down to a G, nothing difficult there. Just make sure it's a low G, not going up to G, it's going down to G. Clarinets down to a low A, two fingers on the right hand. Okay, that's also so it's thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, saxes, same deal, two fingers for you there. Horns going down to the D, first valve. You're going first valve to first valve, so that's a complete lip motion right there. Trombones, you're going to fourth position. Tubas from open to 1 and 2 for that low G. All right, here we go. Play that third set. 1, 2, third set, and go. Pause and review if you need to. And if you're back, let's play first set, second set, third set. 1, 2, ready, and rest and rest. Rest and rest. And once again, pause and review those three sets in sequence if you need to. All right, welcome back if you're just coming back from a pause. And now we're looking at the fourth set. Now things begin to get a little bit weird, especially if you play clarinet or saxophone. If you play clarinet or saxophone, you're in for it now. All right, so going to the F sharp for flutes and low brass. Flutes, your low F sharp is just like your high F sharp. L thumb, L1, L2, L3, R3, R pinqui, right? You have bunny ears, so R1 and R2 are still sticking up. Just keep your aperture more open, the air warm. low brass, your 5th position, F sharp, or 2-3, F sharp. Okay, that's for you guys. Clarinets and saxes. So it's left thumb, 1, 2, 3. Sax is no thumb for you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it's the pinky key closest to your ring finger there on the right hand. So out of your right pinkies, it's the one above the star pinky, right? Okay, so that's, you'll hear it. Okay, so that's A flat for clarinets and low E flat for saxes. Let's try that one. 1, 2, ready. Better do it again and go. One more time. Alright, if you need to do that more, clarinets and saxes, you probably do, then go ahead and review that, and then go back and review all 4 of these sets in sequence. Welcome back from the pause, if you paused it just now. And now we're going on to the 5th set. This one's pretty straightforward. Flutes are going down to a low F. Clarinets down to a low G. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Saxes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for that low D. Make sure your tongue drops a little bit inside your mouth and keep the jaw a little bit relaxed. Horns down to the low C. And then trombones down to the low 6th position F. Nice tall inside of your mouth. Keep the face pretty loose. Okay, tubas, like you've got a tennis ball inside your mouth. That's how you get that low note out. Here we go, everybody. This is the 5th set, going down to the low concert F. 1, 2, ready. Brass especially, you'll want to practice that one a few times. So you know the deal. Practice if you need to, then practice everything in sequence, and then come back after you're done, pause, and we'll go on to the 6th set. Alright, welcome to the 6th set. Flutes, low E is just like your high E, so you're going B flat, E, L thumb, L1, L2, L3, R1, R2, pinky, right? So it's like an F plus 1, right? Clarinets, here's we get into some funny stuff here. So the low F sharp is fingered thumb 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the normal right hand pinky, okay, the star pinky. On the left hand, you're going to reach to the outside-most pinky, okay? So if you need to ask me for help on that on camera, you can. Saxes is the same for you. On your left hand, you're going to play the bottom pinky on your right hand and the outermost left pinky on your left hand. That's how that works. Horns, that's second valve down below there, no trigger. And then 7th position trombones, 1, 2, and 3 for the rest of the brass. So here we go. Trumpets, you can hit it. It's down there. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget the kick slide. Here we go. 6th set. 6th set. Second last set. 1, 2. Oh, why did I turn the metronome on? I'm an idiot. 1, 2. Ready, go. Sorry. Again, and go. That's one that probably is going to take 5 or 10 reps for everybody. So pause it and do it right now. Make sure you're looking at the notes when you play them. Don't just close your eyes and try to do everything by feel. Start making your brain associate that line or space with the fingering that you're putting in place. So pause it right now. Do that. And then the last set. Welcome back, everybody. The last set's pretty straightforward. Flutes, low E flat. It's like your high E flat, except L1 is down now. So it's L thumb, L1, 2, 3, R1, 2, 3, R pinky. Okay, so it's basically everything except for L pinky. Clarinets, it's the low F key, right? The one that we like, the star key down at the bottom, just one pinky. And then, let's see, horns, first valve. Oh, brass players, you have to go upwards. Trumpets, that's why the trumpet clarinet line has that in there. You're out of notes, so you have to go upwards on this one. So that one's pretty straightforward. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Shouldn't take too much work. Go back and review if you need to. Practice this some more on your own so that we can play this together in class tomorrow. Thank you very much.